First of all, social stuff. I mean, I love these guys. I really love meeting with other people from all around Europe and simply learn from what they do and what we can implement in Poland. Also, I know that we are also given some decent knowledge concerning health technology assessment in this matter concerning this meeting. Nonetheless, I think that the biggest advantage of this meeting is to share the experience.
Yeah, about your amazing webpage. I think it's the most important thing I learned today.
Oh, today's meeting was one of the greatest, particularly, in addition to the health technology assessment, the discussion we had, the free discussion we have, one which amazed me was the newly launched program for Advocacy Center, which I think is one of the most amazing tools which we, patients' organization, can use in advocating and also in keeping our patients informed. So I'm very happy that something like that was initiated by your company.
Oh, I learned a lot, actually. I heard a lot of, let's say, tips and tricks I can use in my country, adapt in my reality and my background. And also I'm delighted with the platform for patients.
Yeah, I'm very, very satisfied with today's meeting. So the lectures were very interesting, and also exchange of experience between participants was very valuable.
I saw a lot of faces that I already knew, and I made new acquaintances with other people from countries from the region that will, I'm sure, will be fruitful in the long run when we address same problems.
Well, we learned a lot about HTA, but other than that, we've shared a lot of experiences within different countries, so I believe we can take some of that and apply it in our country as well.
The learning from today's meeting is that there are lots of similarities, that there are lots of good practices we can learn from each other, but also there are very big problems we all are facing, and the main one is really the costs of treatments in myeloma.